we're going to bring us to the three P's. Everything sounds great in threes, right? So in this case, we're going to talk about politics, profits, and peak inflation. So a lot of stuff going in our politics here. And so markets have historically rallied in post midterms. Okay. Wall Street likes gridlock. So DC likes the gridlock because it's policy certainty, which is okay. Policies may not change if there's gridlock. So it's more like the devil you know versus the devil you don't. A divided Congress remains the most likely outcome in post November. So maybe the Republicans take over the House, but they don't quite get the Senate. And of course, we have a Democratic president. So if the Republicans get both the House and the Senate, then you'll have a lame duck president. Who knows how things will go and get approved. So markets are generally higher regardless of the balance of power, but the mix has mattered a bit. So in 2023, this is the third year of the presidential cycle. And there are certain things in the third cycle that haven't really changed. And we've never seen a market in the third cycle where the market hasn't been good. This may be the case where it's different. So ultimately, it's policy, not politics, that matters when it comes to DC. And when we do an analysis of whether you're red or you're blue and how that matters, it doesn't really matter. Actually, you look through the different presidents all the way back to 1962 with John Kennedy, who was Democrat. 12 months before the election, the stock market was negative 18. And then 3 months after the election was up 17%, 6 months after 24%, 12 months after 31%. You might pick, say, that was Democrat. You might pick George W. And 12 months before the election, the market was down 16%. 3 months after was -3, 6 months after 22, and 12 months after 24. And that's the way it goes. And when you look at all the way back to 1962, all the way straight up to Donald Trump, who is Republican, 12 months after the election, the stock market was always up. Isn't that interesting?